Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Canva Tutorials for Beginners. My name is Jeff, and today we're going to learn about transitions. I want to show you a few things about transitioning from page to page. So without any further delay, let's get into it. All right, here we go. I already got my video canvas pulled up here. So let's go over here. Let's just pick something out. So if you want something like this, you could just search pointing and hit enter. And see, it's got a couple things like that. Videos. I chose this one just to save time. And all right, so what we're going to do, we're going to shorten this up a little bit. For my video that I'm making, that's what I want. We want just shorten it up to there. Let's see what we got. Okay. She stops pointing. We are going to shorten it up, and all you're going to do is just where you see the arrows right there. If you want to shorten it up, just click on those arrows and then drag it. Let's see what we have here. Okay, that's perfect. For me, that's perfect for this video here, for this tutorial. All right, what's this saying? This is saying, hey, look, something's coming up. Check out what's next. You see? She's like, ooh, look. All right. And if you want, let's add a little text in here. What can we say? Let's do this. You know what? Let's act like we're having a big sale on something. Big sale. Get up to 50% off. Kind of like that yellow. It kind of stands out. Yeah, I think I'll leave it. All right. Now, I don't want it to start off with that. Okay. You see how it stays on there? Let's do this. You're going to hover over this text. And you see where it says show timing? That's going to bring up the timing on this text right here. Again, you're going to see the arrows. You're going to click on it and drag it just a little bit. See how I want it done? Now watch what happens. There it goes. Maybe just a little bit sooner, just to match her pointing finger. Let's see here. It can get tedious, but and that's what you want to put out a great video. You want your videos to stand out, whether you're putting it on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever. You want it to stand out. So be tedious with it. Let's see what we got here. See? Okay. Let's get it on the big screen here. Yeah, okay. I kind of like that. Matches up. There we go. Big sale coming up. What's the big sale? That's what you want people to. What's the big sale? All right, so we're going to add another page. And if you're selling something, you can use your logo. You can use your whatever you'd like. In fact, I am going to use my logo. Let's do this. LOGO. And we're going to come down here to my logos folders. And this is my logo right here. Sunshine Shells right there. Big sale, 50% off Sunshine Shells. All right, let's see what this is. Now, we could make that a little bit bigger. We could add a text here. You can add your product. Let me add a product here. Go to projects, bracelets. Go to my bracelets folder. Let's add something here. Let me see what we can add. Something I already took the background out of. All right, we'll just, here's one. It's a little sea turtle bracelet. 50% off our sea turtle bracelet. Let's just say that. And then you can add, let's go to text. Oops, wrong one. Let's do a little body text here. Let me, it's kind of hard to see it. Let's get, there we go. Let me move that out of the way. I'm sorry about that, y'all. All right. We'll say beautiful, handmade, adjustable, sea Here we go. All right, let's move. Where do we want to put this? We'll go right here with that. We'll go right here with the text. Now, this is my own font that we have, so I'm going to switch the font up here to my brand font, which is Swanky. There we go. And being this is my color, we're going to switch it to my brand color. All right. We'll just adjust this a little bit. And you could change the background. I'm a beach person here in Southern Alabama. So I'm going to add a background. Let's go down here. We'll say beach. Beach. And we'll do let me see. Now, you know what? I'm going to use another one of my projects here. Here we are. Well, you know what? While we're at it, let's talk about gradients. You don't have to use Canva's gradients. You don't have to. You can make your own gradient. Now watch this. See these colors in here? See those colors? I'm going to set it as a background. Now watch this. Edit photo. And we are going to go to blur. Blur the whole image. Watch this. I just made a gradient there. Check it out. Look at that. Ooh, big sale coming up. Big sale. Big sale. Get up to 50% off. See the gradient in the background? Look at it. You can make any photo, anything. You got some beautiful curtains. Take a picture of them curtains, upload it to Canva, and you got a homemade gradient right there. Perfect. I even took a picture of some colorful shorts I have. I use that as a gradient. So you can do anything. All right. Getting back to this. You already see how that's turning out, right? To save time, I get long-winded here sometimes. Let's do this. This is all about transitions. So first off, let's do a transition page here. You want to match and move. You could do whatever that'll swipe over, color swipe, circle swipe. You can go which direction, in, out. I like using match and move. In fact, I use match and move on most of my videos. See how it blends right in? Blends right in there. There it goes, and just fades in perfectly. And that's all it is for page transition. Let's do it. Let's do it here. You see this? You just hover right in the middle there. Watch. Hover it. That little arrow. Click on that. And here's your transitions. You could make it dissolve, slide, chop it in, make it flow in, stack it in. It'll come down on itself. That's all it is. Page transitions. I love this program. I use it all the time. I'll continue using it. Yes, I pay for it. It's well worth it. You don't have to pay for it. You can still do this stuff. There's some stuff that you can't do on the free Canva, but I want the whole thing. Anyway, you guys, I thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have a great day. Stay focused and keep working. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. We'll see you later. Yes.